హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. సో మన ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం. మరి ఈ వీడియోలో మనం హీట్ అండ్ కరెంట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో హీట్ is always flows from high temperature body to low temperature body. Suppose this is high temperature to it is low temperature. Heat is flowing in the form of waves, high temperature to low temperature. For example, ఒక చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. Let us take metallic conductor of length L, area of cross section A, and it is maintained at two different temperatures. One end maintained at high temperature, second end maintained at low temperature. Then heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. So how much heat flows from high temperature to low temperature? That is the rate of heat flow, heat energy per unit time, and the rate of heat flow is directly proportional to area of the conductor. Suppose surface area is more, rate of heat is also more, and also temperature difference is more, theta 1 minus theta 2. The rate of heat flow is also more, and rate of heat of flow is inversely proportional to its length. Therefore, Q by T is equals to some proportionality constant K. K means proportionality constant. This is nothing but coefficient of thermal conductivity. K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. This is called rate of heat flow is remains constant through any metallic conductor. This is formula. So Q by T, rate of heat flow. K means coefficient of thermal conductivity. A means area of the conductor. Theta 1 minus theta 2. Suppose here theta 1 is greater than theta 2. Then heat should flow high temperature to low temperature. This is very very important. దీని ఖచ్చితంగా మరి ఎంసెట్ లో కానీ జేఈలో కానీ నీట్గా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. దీని ప్రాబ్లం కూడా చేద్దాం. Suppose example. For example, very 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 important model. Let us take three conductors of same dimensions and same material. Three conductors have same dimensions, same length and same breadth, same dimensions and same material. Same material means thermal conductivity K is constant because of K depends on the nature of the conductor. Now the three conductors maintained at three different temperatures. Suppose for example one end 100 degrees Celsius and the second end 20 degrees Celsius and the last end 0 degrees Celsius. Now what is the junction temperature? This is the junction. What is the temperature? Junction temperature అంటున్నాను. But మనకు తెలుసు the rate of heat flow remains constant. Suppose heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. It is a Q from high to low, and this is split up into two parts. It is the Q1 and it is Q2. The rate of heat flow Q is spread into two parts from high to low. For example, formula నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం. The rate of heat flow through first conductor is equals to the rate of heat flow through second conductor plus the rate of heat flow through third conductor. But మన తెలుసుగా formula. What is the formula of rate of heat flow? K A theta 1 minus theta 2. What is theta 1? 0. What is theta 2? Theta 100 minus theta by length is equals to what is the rate of heat flow? Theta to 20. Therefore K A theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 ఎంత theta minus 20. ఎందుకంటే 20 కంటే ఇది ఎక్కువ, 100 కంటే తక్కువ. Therefore theta minus 20 by L plus the rate of heat flow third one K A theta minus 0. Theta minus 0 by L. Same material, same dimensions. So yellow cancel. So A cancel. అలాగే థర్మల్ కండక్టివిటీ K cancel. 100 minus theta is equals to theta minus 20 plus theta minus 0. 100 minus theta is equals to theta minus 20 plus theta. ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా? 2 theta minus 20. Therefore 100 minus 20 left side వస్తే 120. 120 is equals to theta goes to right side 3 theta. Therefore theta is equals to 120 by 3. Therefore theta is equal to 120 by 3 అంటే 40 degrees Celsius. This is answer. నోట్ చేసుకున్నామా? ఈ 40 అనేది 100 కంటే తక్కువ, 20 కంటే ఎక్కువ, అలానే 0 కంటే ఎక్కువ. Therefore heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. So junction temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. నోట్ చేసుకోండి. నోట్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా, నేను ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పాను, మీరు కూడా ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 కండక్టర్స్ having same dimensions, same material, but different maintained at different temperatures. Suppose this is 80 degrees Celsius and it is 0 degree Celsius, it is 30 degrees Celsius. What is the junction temperature? Theta is equal to question mark. సో 2 మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఈ 2 మోడల్స్ గ్యారంటీగా ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. అలానే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం కరెంట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలానే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఎంత అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి నాకు కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.